Yesterday, I ordered Tecware Phantom Keyboard priced at 1,850 pesos, but I got it for only 1,620 pesos or 33 US dollars because I made an offer with the seller to make it 1,800 pesos plus I have 10% discount voucher. The shipment is very quick because it arrived a day after I ordered it. The item came without bubble wrap, but good thing that it came with a box to protect it. So it has plastic cover on the top to protect the keyboard, and the keyboard has cover here around. It comes with 1.8 meters braided cable and a switch puller and 4 extra switches. It also comes with a manual with the instructions about lightings and etc. So it has a gold-plated USB with USB cover. So the keyboard is pretty heavy and I like it because it feels premium and it feels good and I like it. So it has a simple model name at the bottom left for minimalistic design. Looking at the back of the keyboard, you can see the keycap puller and these three different holes which you can route your cable for better cable management. And now, the sound test. Breathing cycle color, breathing fixed color, fixed color, horizontal wave, pulse wave, hurricane, reactive ripple, reactive single, reactive horizontal, sine wave, vertex, raindrop, diagonal wave, fixed color, ripple. And you can adjust the speed and brightness by pressing Fn key plus arrow keys. This is my first mechanical keyboard and I can say that this is a good upgrade from my membrane keyboard. It is not too loud, but it can annoy your office mates. But in my case, it is in my room and I only use this for homeworks and slight gaming. This keyboard is worthy for its price. It has many features that usually seen only a high-end keyboard, and I think it is the best keyboard at its price range. If you don't want the blue switch because it is loud, you can choose the Outemu brown or the red variant. And if you don't know what to get, I suggest you to pick the brown one because it is as tactile as the blue and it is almost as quiet as the reds. So if you have more questions, please comment down below and I will try to answer it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.